Hi everyone, this is Stanislaus, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, PPG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today, let us discuss about personality and its different tests. Personality tests are valuable tools that every organization use to diagnose psychological, social issues and to select candidates for suitable jobs and to foster self-awareness among employees. Different personality tests are used as self-report inventories or projective tests. They measure personality traits and the patterns to offer insights into individual behaviors and emotions. Different types of personality tests. There are so many personality tests are available. A few are prescribed in the organization behavior content. Among these tests, today we will discuss five important personality tests. The one is Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, shortly it is known as MBTI, and 16 personality factor questionnaire, DISC assessment, Rorschach Inkblot Test, the big five ocean personality test. Though there are many different types of personality tests that can help clarify a clinical diagnosis, guide therapeutic interventions, and help predictive how people may respond in different situations. We informally assess and describe personality every day. When we talk about ourselves and others, we frequently refer to different characteristics of an individual's personality. For example, we might refer to someone as adventurous, kind, or moody. The first type of personality, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator MBTI. It is a self-report inventory that categorizes a person's personality into one of 16 different types. It is based on Carl Jung's approach to personality and has become one of the most popular types of personality test in the world. The test contains four different scales: extraversion, introversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging, and perceiving. Based on person's responses, they are identified by a four-letter acronym such as INFP or ESFJ that describes their specific type. And second, the 16 personality factor questionnaire. The 16 personality factor questionnaire identifies personality traits based on Raymond Cattell's trait theory of personality. The test is still widely used today in a variety of settings, including in employee selection, couples therapy, and career counseling. The next one is DISC assessment. The DISC assessment identifies four main personalities categories: dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. It is frequently utilized in workplace settings because it focuses more on actions. The test contains 28 statements, each containing four options for the test taker to choose. Respondents are then identified as one of 12 different personality types based on their results. The important traits in the DISC assessment are dominant, interactive, supportive, and conscientious. The next, Rorschach Inkblot Test. It is a type of projective personality test that involves giving a subjective interpretation of an ambiguous ink blot. A therapist then interprets the results based on a scoring system of which several exist. While the test is well known, it lacks validity, reliability, and diagnostic value. The next personality type is the Big Five, Ocean. Ocean is expanded as openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, neuroticism. The most scientifically validated framework used in organization behavior is the OCEAN, the Big Five personality test. Openness to experience. The five core dimensions are openness to experience, that is creativity and curiosity, conscientiousness, dependability and goal-driven focus, extraversion, sociability and assertiveness, agreeableness, cooperativeness and empathy, neuroticism, emotional stability versus reactivity. So these are all the important personality tests widely used in organizations in order to enhance the skills, enrich the behaviors, the understanding, the cooperation of employees of organization. Thank you for listening.